Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the Wi-Fi 6 speed test between the Realme X7 Pro versus the Mi11 device. As you can see, friends. So right now, I am using the Mi11 smartphone and the Realme X7 Pro, and both phones they are kind of supported with the Wi-Fi 6 capabilities. So if you notice on the top of the notification, you can see the Wi-Fi connections are 6. It's connected to the Wi-Fi 6. You can see in both phones it's showing clearly 6. So I'll try to do the speed test of the Wi-Fi connection between both the phones. So let's see, friends, which phone will pick up better Wi-Fi signals. And in case if you want to download this live wallpaper, so make sure to check the links in description as well. And don't forget to check the playlist, friends, for all the phones which I have created personally, as you can see. So try to go to the playlist and you can decide which phone to buy as well. So let's begin the test by going to the settings and show you what exactly Wi-Fi connection is. As you can see, friends, right now you can clearly see the Wi-Fi 6 are connected, and with the Wi-Fi with my router, the internet speed is of close to only 55 Mbps, so not exactly high speeds, but still let's see which phone will actually pick up more Wi-Fi out of it. And first let me try to do the test in Realme X7 Pro, then on Mi11 device. So then I'll try to do in both phones at same time. So which phone will grab more internet, we can check. So let me try to do in the Realme X7 Pro device first. So my internet speed connection is of 55 Mbps. So it's trying to maintain I think 20 to 50 in between this. So minimum it went only till 20, and now it's trying to maintain 30, 35, so 36. So after this, I'll try to immediately do the test on the Mi11 device. So let's see what Mi11 will be capable of receiving. And later on, I'll try to do at same time. So we'll get a clear idea which phone is very good in terms of the accepting the signals more. So which is kind of strong signals. So let's see in the Mi11. So this is a Mi11 device. So we are getting about 55, 54. As you can see, it did not decrease at all. So from the beginning, it did not at all decrease, friends. The Wi-Fi connection, it's really strong. As you can see, 55. So in the Realme X7 Pro, we did see a lot of decreasing and increasing, decreasing and increasing. A lot of unstable. The network was not that stable enough in this Realme X7 Pro. But in this Mi11, the network is really good and stable. So there is one thing which I noticed. And now let me try to click at same time. So let's see which phone will pick up faster. So I clicked at same time exactly. So Mi11 did pick up 46. I'm getting 19, 20, 37, 36. As you can see, friends, the difference clearly. 37 Mbps I got in this Mi11 and 33 Mbps, as you can see. So 19 Mbps upload, 16. So overall, friends, the Mi11 is pretty good capable of receiving the signals more than the Realme X7 Pro. So that is what I understood after doing this kind of test, comparing side by side. So I'll try to compare the Mi11 with the OnePlus 8T and other smartphones as well, in case if there is any difference in terms of this kind of speeds. And that's it, friends. It's a quick Wi-Fi 6 speed test between both the phones. And for more details, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.